Come on over here and let me show you how we're going to screen mirror this Android device onto a head unit. Welcome back to Garage Matters. Now last year I made a video on how to screen mirror an iPhone onto a head unit. Come on over here and let me show you how we're going to screen mirror this Android device onto a head unit. First thing we want to do is just connect the phone to the head unit via Bluetooth. Once that's done, I'm going to come down here, click wireless mirroring, and then it's going to give us this prompt. Next thing we want to do is come up to our phone, swipe 2 times down. 1, 2. Then we're going to come down here to where it says Smart View Mirror Screen and tap on this icon right here. And then it's going to give us this prompt. And then we're going to select our head unit. It says connecting. Now we're just going to wait for the head unit to connect to the phone. Now it's connected. I'm going to come down here. And once it's connected, you can use your head unit to navigate the menu. So we're going to come into here. And then click YouTube. And then this is my YouTube channel, but you can scroll through it like this. But we'll go ahead and watch this one real quick. And I'm going to try hit the full screen button down here. No, it's not doing it. Alright, there we go. It was kind of hard because I had these gloves on. But yeah, you could hit full screen and then it's going to display it in full screen. And this is what it's going to look like.
Get away from the situation and just relax. But don't worry, I'm going to be doing a series on 6.5-inch speakers.
Now if you notice, I don't have any front seats in this car. The reason why I don't have any front seats is because I'm actually filming an 8-part series on 6.5-inch speakers that I'm testing inside this car to give you guys the listening experience so you guys can make a better decision on whether these speakers are right for you. And I'll put a link in the description below if you guys want to check out that series. And hopefully this helped you guys out as far as mirroring your Android device onto your head unit. And remember, join us next time on Garage Matters and hit that like and subscribe button.